called the dot product, which ends up in a scalar or just a number. Okay? Here is the formula for a dot product. So you take the first two components of your vectors, multiply them, and then add them to the second set. And you really, once you get used to doing the dot product, you won't have to worry about the formula. Okay? It's just there just in case you need it. Okay, so let's take a look at number one. If we were to do the dot product of P and Q, we'd say P dot Q equals. Okay, and then we take the first number in each. So in this case, we're going to start with 5 and 1. And those get multiplied together. So 5 times 1. And we're going to add that to the multiplication of the second numbers. So plus -2 times -9. Okay. You can either put this in your calculator or you can do it by hand. I'm guessing you'll probably use your calculator, which is totally fine. So it would be 5 plus 18. So P dot Q should be 23. So you're more than welcome to skip that middle step and just put it in your calculator if you want. It's pretty easy. Yeah, not too bad. No? Or yes? Was that a?
Yeah,
It's a yes.
so
Yes. I think for the velocity, you have to find all the angles. Okay, number 2, same exact process. So we're going to take the first numbers, multiply them, add them to the second numbers multiplied. Again, more than welcome for your calculator. 0 minus 16. I'm getting -16. You get -16? Yeah. Try 3 and 4 on your own. Oh, I forgot. Sorry. Forgot that they were in component form. My fault. Okay, so really it's the same exact process. I just take it from the linear combination form and I put it in component form. My apologies there. Okay, so I just rewrite it. Do you have to rewrite it? No, you don't. Okay, because you can see the numbers that are already in linear combination form. I think it's easier to look at it this way, but it's totally up to you. Oops. If you want to rewrite that. So we'll do the first and the second, same process. We should get -79. Is that correct? All right. All right, I want you to try this one on your own. Do that one by yourself. Okay, so we should get. Oops, what am I doing? Are we getting 8 on this one? Yeah. Okay, pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Okay. We are going to talk about something called an orthogonal vector. We can call them O vectors if we want. Basically, all you do is you do the dot product of your vectors. If you get 0, it's an O vector. If you don't get 0, it's not an O vector. So it's pretty easy. Okay? So if we get 0, go ahead and fill that in your notes. If we get 0, it'll be an O vector. So O vectors, we should get 0. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do our dot product. These ones are definitely getting a little bit bigger, so I'll probably use a calculator on these. I did get 0 for this one. Anybody confirm 0? Yes? Okay. So if it's asking you if it's an O vector, you want to say yes if you get 0. Okay, so number 6, same deal. Should we get negative 90? We get negative 90? Okay, so is this an O vector? No, it's not. Okay, give those next to the dot. You have same answers? Okay. Probably feeling like breath of fresh air. It feels nice, right? It's not gonna get worse. It's really not gonna get much worse. The only other thing that's hard about this section is if you flip the page, when we get to the angles between, there's a formula. There's a lot going on in that formula, but I still don't think it's near as bad as velocity. Okay, so we're gonna finish up with the properties and then we'll call it a day here. Okay, so all you have to do is fill in the properties and then we will do page 2 tomorrow. Okay. So these properties, you're gonna notice a lot of these properties are the properties that we get or talk about when we're doing multiplication, addition, subtraction. So if you do v dot w, it's the same thing as w dot v. If you do the distribution property, it works. Same thing here. Okay, if you multiply a vector by 0, you get 0. If you do the dot product of 0 in your vector, you get 0. And then here, if you take a vector multiplied to itself, or I shouldn't say multiplied, I should say the dot product of itself, okay, you actually get the magnitude squared, which is kind of crazy. And we're going to talk about that. We'll do that starting tomorrow. So you have about 10 minutes. Any questions for me? What's that? Anybody else have a calculator in the borrowed?
Check out on YouTube and turn on post notifications.